In this video, I'll show you how to download a VPN on your iPhone without using the App Store. And before we begin, if you want a faster, safer, and more reliable option, check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It gives better privacy, speed, and security compared to free servers. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll again and select VPN. You'll see an option that says Add VPN Configuration. Tap that. On this screen, you can choose the VPN type, so tap where it says Type and pick whichever protocol you prefer. Then go back to the previous screen once done. Next, open Safari or Chrome and go to the website vpngate.net. Here, you'll see a long list of free VPN servers with information like server address, country, speed, and ping. Pick one with good performance and copy the server address. Go back to your VPN configuration screen in the iPhone settings. In the description field, you can type VPN. In the server field, paste the server address you copied from the website. For the account, you can also type VPN and do the same in the password field. If any other field is required, just enter VPN again. When everything is filled in, tap Done in the top right corner. Now you'll see this new VPN profile listed in your settings. To connect, simply toggle the status switch on. It may take a few seconds, but once it connects, you'll see a small VPN icon appear near your signal bars at the top of the screen. This method works without downloading anything from the App Store, and it allows you to use free servers. But free servers can be slow, unstable, or not very secure. If you want stronger encryption, stable speeds, and safer browsing, use NordVPN instead. The link is in the description, where you can try it at a great price.